Good morning all. Now we'll discuss about the types of data structures present in Python, major data structures that we often use. So let me take a new Python notebook to explain the same. So I'll tell you the major data types, and also I will tell you the differences between each data type, where the specific data type is preferred, okay, and so on and so forth. So if you see here, so the major data structures which are available, data structures which are available or which we use commonly are arrays, okay, then list, tuples, okay, and dictionaries, set. Okay, these are major things. There are other things like matrices and everything, but we'll stick up to sets because matrices can be created using numpy arrays. So numpy arrays are something. I'm hashtagging it. Does that not run? Commenting it. Okay. So what are these things? So these are things which contain, these are things, these are things which can, they're much more, they are very similar to list, but the only difference between list and arrays is, okay, arrays have same data type. All the elements in arrays belong to same data type. Probably they are called numpy arrays. They are very useful while machine learning and deep learning, applying deep learning algorithms, because numpy arrays can be easily converted into tensors. These are things having, which have elements, okay, of same data type. Data type, okay, all numbers or all strings, something like that. Probably, most probably, all numbers. Okay. So list. These are the datas. These are the structures, or these are the things which have elements of multiple data types. Okay, multiple data types like strings, numbers, okay, complex numbers, okay, whatever, boolean function, whatever it is, tuples. So tuple, that, what is the difference between tuples and lists? Okay, tuples also can have multiple number of multiple data types. The only difference between tuple and list is, okay, lists are mutable. You can change, once the list is created, you can change the value of list, okay, value of some element in the list. These are mutable, whereas tuples, they are in, they are immutable, immutable, they are immutable. Okay, lists are generally, okay, they are, okay, present, that the elements in the list are presented in between square bracket, whereas the elements in the tuples are present between small bracket. Okay, dictionaries. Okay, these are having curly braces. Okay, what is the difference? What is the dictionaries? List can be, the elements in the list can be, okay, called using certain index. Okay, the first element will of the list will have 0th index, whereas the last element will have a of n minus 1, where n is the number of n minus 1 index. Okay. For dictionaries, we can actually specify the index of the particular, okay, the key of the particular element, or the index of the called key, okay, key of the particular element. Sets, these are also the key difference between lists and dictionaries are list, okay, the index of the element is fixed, is from first element will have 0th index, whereas second element will have first index, number 1, like that, so on up to n minus 1, because starts from 0. Dictionaries on the other hand, you can give your own index stuff in a sequence. Sets, okay. What are sets? Sets are something which have, sets are, okay, that basically numbers in it, okay. Sets are having unique element, okay. Each element in a set is unique, okay, and it is also indicated in flower brackets. Let us see some examples of this data type. Suppose I take something like this. I have given, okay, list L is equal to put numpy as np. So suppose I have given, okay, suppose I have given something a is equal to all of same data type, a is equal to a 3 4, something like this, all of same data type. Suppose I have printed it, it is showing something like this. Okay, this is a list actually, it is taking as a list, okay, normally unless otherwise specified, considered as a list. Okay, what is the advantage of list? If you give the numbers, okay, I have given 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma 4, okay, and again I run this, again print this, it is going to print as it is, right? Print of a, okay. So this one, so is printing like this. Suppose I want to access certain element, I want to access the 2, this element, then I can actually access it by, because the list is a of 1, this is at index 0 and this is at index 1, you can get it, right? And then if I want to access any other number, you can give it, the indexing is fixed, okay, this is 0 index, 1 2 3 4, then I can actually change also, okay. Suppose I change a of 1 to a of 1, I can change the element a of 1 to, so this element I am changing to some 6, okay, and then if I print k, see here, this is being changed, the list second element, so this is this is mutable, okay, lists are mutable, you can insert, and also you can have different types of data, the list 1 comma, different types of data you can have, 1 comma string is something like this, and you can have